Kiwis are small fruits packed with an abundance of health benefits, making them a fantastic addition to your daily diet. Their vibrant green flesh, speckled with tiny black seeds, not only adds a refreshing tang to your meals but also contributes significantly to your overall well-being. Let's delve into the top 10 reasons why including kiwi fruits in your daily routine can be a game changer for your health. 1. Loaded with nutrients, kiwis are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They are high in vitamin C, containing even more of this immune-boosting vitamin than oranges. They also provide a good dose of vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, and folate, along with being a great source of dietary fiber. 2. Improved digestion. The fiber content in kiwi fruits is beneficial for digestion. It aids in preventing constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Consuming kiwis regularly can contribute to a healthier digestive system, preventing issues like bloating and discomfort. 3. Heart health. Kiwis have been linked to improved cardiovascular health. They contain antioxidants like vitamin C, which may reduce the risk of heart disease by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, the potassium in kiwis helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 4. Better sleep. Kiwi fruits are a natural source of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates sleep. Consuming kiwis before bedtime might aid in improving sleep quality and duration, making it an excellent bedtime snack. 5. Supports immune system. With its high vitamin C content, kiwi fruits are exceptional for strengthening the immune system. Regular consumption can help the body fight off infections, colds, and other illnesses. 6. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in kiwis play a vital role in promoting healthy and radiant skin. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, contributing to skin elasticity and youthfulness. 7. Weight management. Kiwis are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to a weight management plan. The fiber content can help you feel full for longer, reducing overall food intake. 8. Eye health. These fruits are also beneficial for eye health. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for maintaining good vision and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 9. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants present in kiwis may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially aiding in managing conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. 10. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the bioactive compounds in kiwi fruits may have a role in preventing certain types of cancer due to their antioxidant properties. Incorporating kiwi fruits into your daily diet is easy. You can slice them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them on their own. However, moderation is key, as excessive consumption could lead to adverse effects, especially for individuals with certain health conditions or allergies. Ultimately, the health benefits of kiwi fruits are undeniable. From bolstering your immune system to enhancing your skin and heart health, these small yet mighty fruits are a delightful addition to a healthy lifestyle. So, why not make it a habit to include a kiwi a day for a healthier, happier you?